Hello, I am Adalberto Cervantes Rodriguez. I am the creator of the ERP technology and the business database technology that is used worldwide, but only by SAP and Oracle. Those companies installed my technology at the Mexican oil company Pemex, having the patent. Pemex gave my technical specification first to Oracle and after to SAP. Because of that, I requested to the Mexican government through DeFi to give me a copy of the agreement between Oracle and Pemex and SAP and Pemex. They couldn't find it. This smells really fishy, and it's because they use both of my technologies, the ERP technology and the business database technology, to put in bankruptcy all the Mexican government companies that belong to the Mexican citizens. Today they want to do the same with the companies in the United States, moving these companies to China or going to Mexico. There is a military boots on the ground. According with the Mexican IMSS union, they might be Mexican military participating in this bankruptcy helped by universities like ITAM, Anáhuac, Ibero, Panamericana, among others. Okay, they put it in bankruptcy in Mexico, and after they are moved to China as well. As I told you before, all the partners, a lot of small Indian origin IT companies, mainly registered in Texas, North Carolina, New York City, State of Michigan, State of California, and they are protected by the skull bonds to do this accounting and fiscal frauds to destroy the United States. They are using Indian origin IT consultants with less than US undergraduate studies, so they are destroying the big corporates and the government, as well as all their clients. We know that there are G-banks manipulating all the economy, defining percentage to the corporate Illuminati corporates, and they can destroy whatever country they want. Today they are focusing United States to be replaced by China, Israel, and Switzerland. As I told you before in previous program, all the processes and that are totally incorrect because they didn't use science and technology or industrial engineering. Okay, and you can see that if you're going to your hospital, health center, clinic, and you're going to find that all the data and all the processes are mixed up. Okay, so they don't even can make a basic autopsy and to say that someone is dead by natural causes or someone is murdered using electromagnetism, nanotechnology, implants, MK Ultra, and others. As the father of industrial engineering, has science, I recommend immediately to use industrial engineers with ergonomics background so they can give solution to all these issues. At the end of the day, we're going to have the technology of ergonomics integrated with my ERP technology and business database technology. Because of all these issues, all the presidents, including Obama, all the CEOs are considered right now like satanic, diabolic, psychopaths, criminals, and even homosexuals, because they are implanted with these reptilian implants that made them be homosexuals, plus the NK Ultra that made them be puppets of the elite. They control all their necessities, including the basic necessities like poop and pee. So you can imagine the situation going to public events with diapers. Okay, today we're going to talk about the situation of Larry, let me see, the situation with the owner of Oracle, Larry Ellison. as I told you before in previous programs, my technology was stolen by Oracle and SAP at the Mexican oil company. But what I have found is more details about the situation. So basically, Larry Ellison studied at the same university like Gil Diaz. These Gil Diaz use also secret GL accounts to steal government money, okay, like Salinas de Gortari, and even help him to create the Oceanographica. That is a company that wanted to be replace Pemex, okay. So there were of course several Mexican investors, among them Vicente Fox, okay. This is totally a fraud, okay. Using the same money of Pemex to create another company, so you can imagine, okay. These guys are really satanic. Anyway, so this guy of Larry Ellison, he studied, but he didn't finish even the undergraduate studies at the University of Chicago. Okay. As well in that area was studying Juan Prada. Okay. So it is really really interested, and also for the area well in another university, but in the same area of Chicago. So these Jews are Illuminati. They are basically working together for a long time and decided to give it the contract to Oracle without spending any money. Oracle didn't spend any penny in my technology. Okay, they only took it and apply my technology for this evil situation and put in bankruptcy the Mexican oil company Pemex, and they did it. And after they used the same technology, spreading to the world to do for the same purposes. So we have Enron and other companies being bankrupted. Okay. The situation with this Larry Ellison is that he's telling us a lot of lies about my ERP technology and business database technology, because he didn't create the technology. He doesn't have any idea. But he was supported by the Rothschilds. Even Juan Prada moves to the World Bank, okay, because he participated in the stealing of my technology and tried to create this new world order. For the Bush was really important to have it, because in that way they presented to the 13 richest families in the world. They might even be part of the imperium with new geopolitical situation between Mexico and United States. NAFTA moves all the industries from the north part of the United States to the south, and also in Mexico from the center to the north part of Mexico. So in that way, all the wellness was located exactly in these areas, and they might want a geopolitical change to create an imperium there, supported by the 13 richest families of the world, and especially the Iturbide and Maximilian families and the Bush. But my technology was really important to do that, okay, because basically they were controlling all the finance. As they did it before since Babylonia, but the situation is that in this case they integrated all this secret knowledge coming from everywhere, mainly India, China, Russia, Israel, okay, and Switzerland, of course. So they were coming from several parts of the country to integrate it in this SAP and Oracle situation. So SAP is It's part of, I think, of Oracle because they copy each other all the time. And of course, belong to the Rothschilds and they were located in Germany. Okay, but that's the same as Oracle. Okay, Oracle said that it was more specialized in database, but they never understand the business database situation, then they have to handle it in my technology, the ERP technology, and he is not going to understand that. He doesn't have the skills, education to understand that. Even the mathematical approach is totally wrong. They're using basic algebra, and my technology can use any kind of maths that you can imagine, from basic to the most sophisticated maths than you can imagine. Okay, coming from industrial engineering. Okay, previous to be used in the ERP, of course. Um, and so I can continue saying a lot of things, but you have to check what Ellison is telling you and what I'm telling you in my videos. He doesn't have no idea what he's doing. What I did some years ago was there was a CEO in Germany and has to resign after I published several comments in the most important newspaper worldwide, identifying some situation with the ERP technology. He has to resign because they didn't do any relevant discovery about my technology. So this technology, besides copying me wrong, it was not developed as science and technology, has industrial in the industrial engineering field. Okay, so so Larry Ellison is really a guy who has to be in jail, but it's really protected by the Illuminati. Okay, they have allowed to steal us a lot of money, has never before in history. Never before in history we have stolen this amount of fiscal money and others frauds, accounting frauds. Um, I mean, all this life of his biography, history will know about that because definitely everything is going to be discovered about all these accounting and fiscal frauds using my technology, the ERP technology and the business database technology. Thank you very much for listening to me. I hope that you like this program. Click like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video. Thank you very much. God bless you.